Hey everyone, Loren here, and I know you're not believing it either. I'm so excited, yes, because we are finally launching this manifestation course for you. We've been working super hard to refine it, many years actually, but it's finally ready. Why is it so important for me to share this with you? Because I live it. As I said, it's taken us a little bit longer, but when you visit yourbestyearyet.com, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get access to the live recording of your Best Year Yet Manifestation online course, where I will teach you not only how to create the ultimate manifestation board, but also help you purge all that shit that's been keeping you emotionally constipated and holding you back so that you can finally clear the space and you can receive your new intended vision that we will be creating together on the live online course on November the 3rd. You'll also get a chance to order your Master Manifestor I Own This box. And in this Ultimate Manifestors box, you'll find the tools to remind you of your new identity. It will include the True Manifestation Secrets book, a mini USB stick of the audiobook, the Master Manifestors Creed, and lots of stickers to remind you exactly that you are the manifester of your destiny, and also constantly remind you to envision your vision every single day. You'll also get your 2020 I Am Weekly Affirmation Planner. We will ship you all of your manifestation supplies ahead of the November 3rd class. When you check out, that is an option. So who's ready to let go of the past, truly create your authentic vision, and manifest your best year yet? And enroll in the class right now. See you there. Stay true.